In this video, we will walk you through the unboxing and installation of your VertiMax luminaire. You can refer to our website for additional product information and resources. Always turn off and lock out the branch circuit before commencing installation or maintenance work. Gently unfold the luminaire on a soft surface by folding it open until flat. Have the LEDs facing downwards. Ensure you have all your main components: the VertiMax luminaire, the AC daisy chain connector cable, the dimming daisy chain connector cable, the AC power cord with whip end, the dimming cord with whip end, and 2 mounting cables. Now we will complete the luminaire connections. With the open ends of the 2 power connectors in the center of the luminaire, push and click the connectors together so that they are fully engaged. Repeat with the dimming connectors. Now we will connect the mounting cables. Connect both steel mounting cables to luminaire by hooking them onto the 4 positions. You can adjust the mounting cable length by pushing the cable through the hook end and adjusting by pushing the pin with your thumb, and then it will be tight. Now we will hang the luminaire. With 2 people supporting either end of the luminaire, move the VertiMax to your desired location. Connect the carabiner clips installed on both steel mounting cables to racking or your own supplied hardware like S-hooks or chains. Twist the thumb lock to the locked position to ensure the carabiners are fully secured. Now we will do the AC and dimmer connections. Connect the whip end of the AC power cord to the power supply. Push and click the open ends of the connectors on the luminaire power input cable and AC power cord to complete the power connection. Repeat with the 1 to 10 volt dimming cord to connect. Ensure the connector caps are firmly engaged in output cable connectors at opposite end of luminaire to ensure safe operation and IP integrity. Caps should only be removed if the luminaire is connected to another for daisy chaining. Now we will daisy chain the luminaires. Connect the first luminaire to the power supply and control system. Press and snap together power and dimming connectors on output cables of first luminaire with the power and dimming connectors on the input cables of the second luminaire. Repeat with remaining luminaires in the string. Ensure the connector caps are firmly engaged in output cable connectors of last luminaire in the daisy chain string. Use a level to ensure luminaires are straight, and if needed, adjust cables as shown earlier. Refer to the printed installation document on our website for the maximum number of luminaires that can be daisy chained based on your voltage.